We Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video, guys. Y'all hear what's going on, man. We in the Pontiac. We in that good old G8. Heading over here somewhere to see my partner. He got a paint, man, so we're gonna see. I'm not sure if I'm gonna paint the whole car yet, or if I'm gonna I'm not sure if I'm gonna paint the whole car yet, or if I'm gonna y'all know what color I was thinking about painting it? Well, I thought it would be cool. Have y'all seen the new Mazda red? Have y'all seen that new Mazda red? That joint hard. I was thinking about doing it that color, but you know, we about to talk to him and see how much it's gonna cost. Is the heat on? We about to talk to him and see how much it's gonna cost real quick. Oh, we got an SS. Got an SS, man. But yeah, so we gonna see what they say. What he say rather. Oh, he growling a little bit. Hold on, I'm growling a little bit too now. Growling a little bit too now. But anyway, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and join the Hustle Nation if you haven't already. Follow me on all social media platforms. Do that for me. Instagram, link in the description. Facebook. Follow my Facebook page. We Hustle Daily on Facebook. And make sure y'all follow me on TikTok. We Hustle Daily. All of it's We Hustle Daily. All of it's in the link in the description below. And make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. Y'all don't want to limit from the auction. You know what I'm saying? Oh, he ain't do nothing. He ain't do nothing crazy. And make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com. Y'all interested in learning how to buy and sell these cars, man. Learning how to properly inspect the cars. You feel me? Let me pull over. I'll probably pull over here. Fast food restaurant. Show y'all the car real quick. Those of y'all who, I mean, I know y'all done seen it, but some of y'all done seen it. Come on, man, get out the way. Get out the way, man. Let me show y'all what's going on real quick. I'm not sure what the hell this truck is doing, bro. I'm gonna go over here in the shade. Hold up. Not all the way in the shade, but kind of over here. Damn. Car low, man. Car is low. Let me show y'all what's going on. Excuse me, I was eating some food and all of that. So we about to see how much it costs to get this thing painted, dog. Sounding like a beast. So y'all know, had the car for probably like 2 weeks now. Put the fender on, put the door on. We're about to see how much it costs to get this fender painted. The car do got some. I'm gonna take it to the car wash today too before the end of this video. So we definitely got to take this thing to the car wash, but cause I ain't really even got the whole car clean like I wanted to. I'm gonna just drive it through the drive-through car wash. You know what I'm saying? It'll be all right. So yeah, I don't know if I want to paint it that Mazda red. You feel me? Or do I just want to leave it like this, post it and see what I can get for it? You know what I'm saying? The burgundy is cool, but I think that red will go crazy on it. It'll go super crazy on it, man. Super crazy. And I also seen a picture online, right? Y'all let me know if I should do that. I seen that they painted this red. So it'll be like that red, that red, that red. What we got? I don't know. And they left this black, so they left the face of it black, you know what I'm saying? But they just painted like the inner lip, the color of the car. I seen a G8 like that. I thought that was cool. I found a picture online like that. But yeah, man, yeah, as y'all see it, I like the way this lined up too. It lined up really good right here, but it didn't line up like excellent right there, which I ain't tripping about. I mean, it's an 09, man. I ain't, you know, the car ain't perfect. I don't be tripping. You know what I'm saying? I understand that it's an 09, you know what I mean? But y'all let me know in the comments below. Let me let y'all hear it growl. Yeah. Suck it in, yeah. But yeah, man, I like the car. We just got to see what he gonna charge me to paint this mug if I decide to paint the whole car, or if I'm gonna decide to paint, you know, like a little something on it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't decided yet, y'all, depending on what that price looking like. Oh hell no, I'm not going this way. Fuck that. So
yeah, man, I'm gonna see y'all when we get over here. When I get over here, actually my partner told me about this guy, so it's his partner, and he be painting cars a lot. So for him, so I'm gonna see what he'll charge to paint this. But I just don't want it to. I don't want it to be too noticeable if I just paint that regular side and don't paint the whole car. I don't want it to be too noticeable. But if I have him paint the whole car, like I wouldn't have him paint the whole car back this color. And then I wouldn't have them do the door jams or none either. So it's just, you know what I mean? It's just, I don't know, bro. I don't know. But if I do have them paint the whole car, it gotta be, I want to throw some candy on it. You know what I'm saying? Or that Mazda red. That Mazda red is hard. I like it. Y'all don't know what Mazda red I'm talking about. Like I seen it in on somebody car in the driveway one time. I'm like, damn. And then I had somebody say something about a red. And I'm like, damn, that red sure is nice. So y'all check that Mazda red out, that new Mazda red. Look like it damn near look like a candy in the red, but it ain't. Boy.
Turn right on the Church Street.
Oh, I'm about to say, huh? I know exactly what the hell. All right, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when we get over there. See what he say. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by whdacademy.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. All right, y'all, we up here. It's got this nice Porsche. This mug fire. I like this. That joint hard. It's nice. Convertible, nice, clean, black. That thing glossed up too. This mug nice. You like this? All right, y'all, let me talk to the people real quick. Ooh, that thing nasty. Really hard. So all right, so easy peasy, man. You're gonna charge me a good price to do it, so I'm gonna just get the fender done. And he said he only take like a door, and we're gonna do it the door jam too. So we're gonna do the door jam and everything. We're gonna paint the whole thing, get it straight. I don't think I'm gonna have a mess with the door as far as the way it sag a little bit. It'll be all right, man. So just paint the front. Oh, I actually forgot to show him this. Can he see that right there? I should have asked him about that. Actually, I am gonna ask him about that too, really quick. Okay, so we got our price. What I'm gonna do is I gotta go to the car wash so I can clean the car up, man. Make sure I can see what the car really gonna look like. I'm about to go get it a car wash. I'm gonna run it through the car wash. I'm actually thinking about going to this auction over here though, but shit, it's gonna be a minute for me to get over there. SRTG. So yeah, and he actually gonna do the door jams and stuff too, because it's just one door. So we're gonna paint the whole door. Hopefully it comes out looking similar to the rest of the paint. That's why I'm about to go ahead and clean it up. So we about to all see what it looked like really cleaned up, because I haven't seen what it looked like cleaned up since I bought it. Besides that one time y'all seen me take it to the car wash, but that wasn't even like no real car wash. I was just, you know what I'm saying, doing something. Well, it was crowded that day, so I ain't really want to wash it the way I wanted to wash it, because people would have been waiting for a long ass time, basically. And there go that Benz again. Wish I could show y'all. Ooh, y'all see it? Hopefully y'all seen it. But about to hop on the E-Way. I gotta bring it next Monday, so it's gonna be a little minute before I bring it up here. About a week. What's today? Shit, I don't even know what today is. But it's gonna be about a week before I bring it up there. So let's go to the car wash. I actually may stop this video real quick so I can go to the auction then. But I'm gonna see y'all in this video at the car wash. So catch y'all in a second. All right, over here by the car wash. I hope this car is actually like big enough to go into the freaking thing. We about to see. So let me pay and we gonna see. I think it should be big enough though, tall enough. We'll see though. I don't know though for sure. I should have measured it against the Impala, because that Impala clearance sit kind of low too. So we about to see though. Right now. Oh, he's doing something to the machine. I might have to go back and, you know what I'm saying. Alright. Alright, come on. Alright, let me pay for this and I'll be right back. So it's not even straight. Yeah, it's not even big, y'all, so raise these windows up. Reverse. I mean, not reverse, neutral. Alright. Yeah, so it's not even big like I thought it was. Like the little, y'all probably can't see it from here. Maybe y'all probably can't see it. Yeah, focus. But yeah, it's not tall at all. So I think at that other car wash that I went to, it was tall. So yeah, I'm actually may vacuum it up a little bit, but I'm about to show y'all how it looks like once we get up out this thing. We got our paint. Got our paint. Only $350 to get it painted. The door and the fender. He's gonna do the inner jam, the door jams and everything for $350. I wanted it, like I said, I wanted to paint the car the whole color, but I ain't even asked him because I don't know how much money I want to put in this car, y'all. Before you know it, end up having 10 grand in the car or something crazy like that, and it's not gonna happen over here. You feel me? I like the car for what it is. Look at that mirror holding on, boy. Y'all remember I put that JB wheel on that mirror, right? The JB wheel, boy, holding up. Hopefully it do. I hope it do. This shit. But yeah, so I ain't putting that much money into the car, y'all. I just want to ride for a while. I don't know how long I'm gonna have the car or any of that, but you know, we about to see how good this thing came out. I'm gonna use their vacuum probably to vacuum it up a little better because I know they vacuums can probably get into the nitty gritty. I think that's the spot right there. I'm gonna go over there. So yeah, I'll see y'all when we get up out this thing, man. But look at my mirror, dog. That JB wheel holding on, bro. All right, y'all. So let's check it out. Let's see what it did. Did it do a good job? See, that's why I don't be minding going through the regular like car wash, the drive-through wash, because look. Y'all remember what them, I should have showed y'all. But yeah, y'all seen the car, but look. I mean, it didn't get all of it. It ain't perfect, look. It ain't perfect, but it got most of it. So let's see what that paint looking like now. It looks straight, I hope he can do, I really do hope he can like really blend it in and make it look pretty good though. It didn't do no tire shine. I actually got tire shine at home, so I'll do that when I get home. But what y'all think though? Decent, man, decent. AC don't work. Oh, I didn't close that door all the way. There we go. Yeah, man, it look good. It look clean. Ooh. I love the way this thing sounds. But it did good, man. I like it. It's cool. You feel me? So, as y'all see it, y'all let me know what it look like now for y'all. Or give me a picture real quick. Maybe a picture from this side. Yes, sir. But, you know, y'all let me know if I should keep the car. You know what I'm saying? I noticed like every time I pull up somewhere, like everybody always compliment me about the car. You know what I'm saying? Asking me how much I got it for and stuff like that. So people know what it is. Well, guys know what it is. I don't think really girls know what this is, real honestly. They just think it's a goddamn Pontiac. Oh, I got some videos coming up for y'all. We got some videos coming up for y'all for some reactions. You know what I'm saying? A couple of girls on the channel. Bring a couple of girls on the channel. Get their reaction. I actually should have recorded. I actually done took a couple of people out already, but I didn't record it because I still don't got the freaking thing to go in the. I need to order that so I can get some reactions. But got some stuff coming to y'all, coming to the channel with this thing. Yeah, man, I like it though. It look real good on this side. Y'all can't lie, dude. Look at that side. But shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, guys. Appreciate y'all from always tuning in, always rocking with me. Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com if y'all want to learn how to do this, man. I bought this car, even though it was a salvage title, I drove it home and everything, guys. So make sure y'all go to the WHT, the D, to the Academy and get that Academy. But appreciate y'all, love y'all, man. This thing sounds so good, man. I want to sell it, but then I don't want to sell it. But we'll see how it go, man. But your boy Big Play Ray about to hit the highway, man. I'm out of here. Peace.
Subscribe.
Yes, sir.
We're getting it in the pandemic.
You already know, man.
We don't give a damn about no depression, recession. We gonna make it happen.
You already know, man.